So in the second episode, we will talk more about time and how to find time to volunteer. Because in this fast-paced world, everybody is in a rush and always kicking in deadlines, very busy, but it's important to find the time to volunteer. We have little time to do extra things. But in the meantime, we're spending a lot of time on our phones, a lot of time on our laptops, watching Netflix, so it's always a way of finding priorities. But I understand if you start something, it can be hard to find 2 hours to do something new. Nevertheless, you can start very, very small, with just an hour, just 1.5 hours, or even with volunteering from home, so you can spend the time at home doing laundry at the same time. There's a lot of non-profit organizations that could use some extra help volunteering from skilled people. So you can either help them with a website, with social media, with marketing, and everything can be done digitally. So you can do it from home or from your home office if you have one, from your holiday destination. This is how I do it. I work full-time, or at least 4 days a week. And then I do social media for a non-profit clothing bank, just a half an hour every week. And I prepare their social media, make sure that every post is online, and take care of their Facebook. Then I do homework guidance for children from 12 to 15, and I do that after work. It's just between 6 and 7:30, so 1.5 hours, and I make a lot of difference for them because they cannot get the guidance from home. And then on Saturdays I try to do different activities just for 1 or 2 hours, and most of the time I try to combine that with activities with a friend. So I pick up a coffee, then go over to elderly home, spend some time with the people there. We either go for a walk in the park or we bake pancakes. Any activity that is at the moment is on. It can be from the holidays. And after 2 hours of volunteering together, I just go home again. And even though I run a busy life, had a lot of friends to meet up with, a lot of family to catch up and do everyday work out, I think it's very important to do volunteer work because it makes me happy. It makes me more satisfied, and I think the balance is the way to do it. So if you find the time to do it, you will definitely feel happy about that afterwards. Time shall never be an excuse to not help anybody. I have a few tips for you how to make it work. First of all, start very, very small. Just do something for 1 or 2 hours. Then try to find something that you already like or you do every week. Maybe there's things in the household that you like to do, you're cooking every week, or maybe there's just repeatedly things that you do with working out, and maybe you can help someone with that, so that doesn't even take you any extra time. And if I say working out or doing any hobbies, that may sound strange, but it really helps. For instance, if you like to run, you can bring somebody along, somebody that is not so used to run, or somebody that needs some more activity, or somebody that is blind, that is not able to run on their own. Same goes for working out. If you go to the gym, you can bring someone along, an elderly person that may need some movement and could use a partner to join. Third tip is to get started with asking around in your network. This will create a soft landing. If a friend, someone from your family, a co-worker, or maybe someone in your sports club already knows an activity that you can join, it will be much easier to get started. So here's this week's challenge for this episode. Block 2 hours in your planner, mark them free to do voluntary work and help out your neighbors. Do something fun and something easy. You can either do some groceries, send them a little postcard, say hi, or go and have a tea with them. You can walk their dogs, maybe have a little wine, or you can even cook with each other and bake pancakes. You'll be surprised how happy you feel after doing this.